Gas pack got me up in the sky. These niggas talking like Fago ain't this that. I'ma pull up in that mismatch. Flip that nigga dispatch. Shoot the shot and he miss that. Outfit put a brick.
What it is, pappiiq? Welcome to the video with your boy. Whole lady on that whole lot of red. And if you don't like the video, your grandma's a sped. Now listen, it's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded my last video. This is hella bright. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I look good, you know what I'm saying? But it's been 2 weeks, you feel me? We are back. Your boy was dealing with some issues, man. You know what I'm saying? Some personal stuff, you feel me? But even we got through it and we are back with another upload. Like I said, it's been 2 weeks. I know your boys miss me, but like I said, you feel me? We back in the baggy, more content on the way. If you guys are new, make sure you smash the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. We are 8 subscribers away from 400, so make sure y'all share the video with everybody, your cousin, your uncle, your grandma, your step cousin, your auntie, all that, and boom, you feel me? Give me the 400 subs. Like I said, we are 8 away, and I would appreciate that. Now, as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail of today's video, we are back with another monkey video. I said I was gonna do part 2 of if you've seen the last video, I said I was gonna do a part 2 of this. So we're gonna hop back on monkey today and ask females to rate me 1 through 10 again. You know what I'm saying? So if you do enjoy today's video, make sure you smash the like button, like I said before. You from road to 400. And yeah, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so last time I made this video, it was in the morning, for real. Let me open this app up and screen. Oh, wait, where is it? There it is. Alright, so yeah, last time I made this video, it was like early in the morning. Now it's late. It's what? I'm gonna show you the time. That's what's. Hopefully, y'all can see that. Wait, y'all can see that. Focus. This bright ass light. Focus. It's 12 o'clock though. Feel me? It's late. So we just went out on the app and see what's popping. I'm not doing that. Alright, wait. Why do I have 4 messages? Oh, that's what's in. Alright. Let's see what's popping on here. Hopefully, I'm gonna turn that off. Alright, screen record time. Wait, let me move. Hopefully y'all can see me and it's not too bright. Well, y'all can see me. That's a dumbass statement. Alright, boom, screen recording is lit. Let's see what they talking about. You know what I'm saying? I look different from the last video. I didn't have a retwist. Oh wait. Yo, what's up? Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
Rate me 1 through 10.
1 through 10, you a solid 7.5.
Solid 7.5. I appreciate that.
Yes. You would have got a 10, but you don't have dreads. Like long
what?
dreads. I'm about
Long dreads? So if my dreads get long, I get a 10.
Yeah.
I'll see you in.
What color is?
How tall am I? I'm 5'10".
Yeah, you got taller than 5'10".
I'll see you in like a year. She want me. She want me. She want me. I'll be back. No, I'm just saying. You feel me? She said like in a year. What the fuck? Skip to next. No, I'm saying 7.5. That's a nigga. We not doing that. Oh, this is your girl.
Where you from?
You said where am I from?
Yeah.
Orlando. Where you from?
I'm from PA, but I'm in Florida right now.
Oh, that's nice. I got a question.
Sure.
Rate me 1 through 10.
Good 7.
A 7. That's cool. I like that answer. I give you like a 7 too. No cap. Oh yeah, you got an answer too. What the f? Answer back. Oh yeah, she got an answer.
I got to answer first.
Rate me 1 through 10 too.
She don't like black guys. I think a 7 or an 8.
Oh, say less.
A 7 or 8? Yeah, I give you a cool 7. Appreciate that. What the fuck? Fuck off my mind. Oh, Sam, your boys is bagging the bitches. You know what I'm saying? Like my DM is open. You know what I'm saying? Hit the DM. No, I'm joking. But still. Please be a girl. Yo.
Yo, I just had a threesome with the big bitches. They be sucking dicks out. Big bitches. What?
I got a question. Wait, how old are y'all?
I'm 17.
You 17? Alright, cool. Rate me 1 through 10. I'm 18.
I give you a good 8.
8.
You don't want me to rate you. I mean,
Don't give a fuck.
no, like I really mean I don't got any friends. My whole family don't like me.
That shit crazy.
You know?
You need to change that.
I can't. It's like I'm one and I just can't.
It's sad for you. Alright, fuck off my line. Alright, Crystal. Hello.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Hey, I got a question.
Yo, what's up?
Rate me 1 through 10.
I give you like a 9.
Wrap it up. That's it.
A 9. Appreciate that. You look fucked up right now. Are you fucked up right now?
A little bit.
I think you more than a little fucked up.
Huh?
I said I think you more than a little fucked up. You looking like this. You like this.
Shit. I lost it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, but I'll give you like a solid 8. Yeah.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your night.
You too.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta show a little hospitality, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's what these niggas don't got. You know what I mean? I'm bringing something different to the table. Nah, I did tell that one bitch to get the fuck off my line. Yo.
Yo.
Y'all some little ass kids.
That's why your lip.
She tried to cut her dumb ass off. Oh, we finna get back. What you saying?
I said that's why your lips crazy. Ugly bitch.
Bro, how old are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Where you from?
Orlando. Where you from?
Memphis. Washington.
Washington. That's what's up. I had a question.
What's the question?
Rate me 1 through 10.
You got me,
All of y'all, whoever in the room. Look sideways.
Okay, I give it 10 for a 5.
You said 10.5.
Yeah, 10 for a 5.
Alright, what other was that? Alright, fine. I don't know what the fuck that bitch was saying. I ain't gonna cap. She was hella slow. That bitch was retarded. Fuck. Yo.
What's good?
What's poppin'? How you doing?
I'm good.
That's good. I got a question. Rate me 1 through 10.
A 7.5.
7.5. I'll give you like a good 8. How old are you?
Me?
Yes.
You gotta guess. No, actually, don't even guess because I might not even give it to you if you get it right.
Are you 17? You're younger than 17?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I had a question.
Yes.
Rate me 1 through 10.
You're a 7.
7. Appreciate it. How old are you?
See, I don't know.
That shit is crazy. Just tell me how old you are.
15.
Hey, yo. What's up? How you doing?
What?
I said, how you doing?
Good,
Good. I got a question. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Like, why do y'all do that? Dumbass bitches. What's up?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I had a question.
Yeah.
Rate me 1 through 10.
I don't like negatives.
No! 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 Say you swear to fucking God, bro.
I think we're gonna have to end it on that one. I don't know. She did not just. Alright, y'all, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash the like button. Like I said before, we're on the road to 400 subs. We're on the road to 1K for real, but we were 8 subs away from 400. So make sure you share the video with all your friends. You feel me? Like the video so this video can be spread to everybody across the world. You feel me? So we can go to family, go to army, you know what I'm saying? Go to gang, whatever y'all want to call it. And yeah, being boy like God, and I'm out. Peace.
Still in the block.